Good afternoon students. In today's class we are going to learn the next topic, that is areas of a similar triangles, right? In this topic we will learn if the areas of the two similar triangles are in ratios, then their squares of the ratios of their corresponding sides will be always equal. Means here they have given a triangle ABC and triangle PQR, right? They have said the areas of these two triangles are equal, are in the ratios. If they are in the ratios means then their corresponding side, that is AC divided by PR, AC divided by PR whole square, it will be equals to again BC divided by QR whole square, and again that will be equals to AB divided by PQ, AB divided by PQ whole square, right? We need to show this condition when the areas of two similar triangles are in ratios. So let's begin the proof. Here they have given the data, that is triangle ABC is similar to the triangle they have given, and construction, we'll make a construction here. We'll draw AM perpendicular to BC and PN perpendicular to QR. As I told, here this one we need to prove, right? To prove this condition, let us take the corresponding sides of the triangle ABC and triangle PQR in the same ratio. For that, now we'll consider triangle ABC is similar to the triangle PQR. It is already given, right? And if these two triangles are similar means then their corresponding sides will be in the same ratio. So we'll write, that is AB divided by PQ and AC divided by or BC divided by QR is equals to AC divided by PR. Sorry, this is BC divided by QR and AC divided by PR, right? Now we'll call this as equation 1. To prove this right hand side, we required here areas, isn't it? So now we'll find the areas of these two triangles using basic formula, that is half into base into height. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, area of a triangle ABC is equals to what? Half into base means BC, and height for the triangle ABC is AM into AM. And similarly, we'll find the area of a triangle PQR. PQR is equals to again half into base is QR into height is PN. Now we have to find the ratios of these two areas of a triangle. Yes, because they have given areas of a triangle, two similar triangles. Area of a triangle ABC divided by area of a triangle PQR is equals to what we got, area of a triangle, that is half into base into height. Then similarly for the PQR, half into QR into PN, right? Now half get cancels. Now area of a triangle ABC divided by area of a triangle PQR is equals to BC divided by QR, AM divided by PN. BC divided by QR into AM divided by PN, right? We'll call this as equation 2. Next we'll show that AM divided by PN, BN divided by QN, AB divided by PQ. To show this, we need to say that the triangle ABM is similar to the triangle PQN. Yes, so we'll prove that. Now in triangle ABM and triangle PQN, in these two triangles, we know that already angle B is equals to angle Q, angle C is equals to angle R, and angle A is equals to angle P, isn't it? Because triangle ABC is similar to the triangle PQR. Yes, so we'll write here angle ABC is equals to angle PQR, because reason is triangle ABC is similar to the triangle PQR. And again we got one more angle, that is angle M is equals to angle N. Reason, each 90 degree. Angle M is equals to angle N, each 90 degree. Then by these two pairs of angles we can say that these two triangles are similar triangles. Triangle ABM is similar to the triangle PQN by angle similarity. Yes. Now if these two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides will be in the same ratio. So we'll write AB divided by PQ is equals to AM divided by PN. AM divided by PN, and the third side is BM divided by QN. We can also write it, but for next proof I required only these two sides, so I have written only these two now. So we'll call this as equation 3. Now you can observe that equation 2 and 3. Here AM divided by PN means what? Here AB divided by PQ. So I am going to substitute this value in equation 2. So we'll write from 2 and 3, area of a triangle ABC divided by area of a triangle PQR is equals to what we got here. Instead of AM divided by PN, I am going to substitute AB divided by PQ. AB divided by PQ, right? And also you can observe that BC divided by QR, right? I am going to replace this by this now. Here we got BC divided by QR. Now I am going to replace this by AB divided by PQ in this equation. So from 1, 2 and 3 we obtained the equation AB divided by PQ, isn't it? Now we'll multiply AB divided by PQ whole square we got. Now similarly from 1 you can observe that AB divided by PQ is equals to again BC divided by QR. So I will write here AB divided by PQ is equals to BC divided by QR and whole raised to square. And again similarly BC divided by QR is equals to AC divided by PR. So we'll write here AC divided by PR, again whole raised to square. Now we got area of a triangle ABC divided by area of a triangle PQR is equals to the squares of the ratios of their corresponding sides are equal, right? We have got this from equation 1. Yes, hence we proved. Isn't it? This was the required answer for us. Here we wanted it, so we proved it. This completes similar areas of a similar triangle theorem.